Hello everyone, my name is Rizwan Siddiqui and I'm currently a part of the CareerByteCode DevOps internship program. I already have an hands-on experience in the IT and cloud-related work, especially cloud engineering. I joined this internship with the intention of to strengthen my DevOps foundation in the more structured and practical way. So in this first week, the focus was mainly on Linux, GitHub, Bash scripting as well. These topics are very important, like in real DevOps work, because most automation, server management, deployment, even troubleshooting activities, all this depends on these fundamentals. So in this week, I practice Linux commands such as this very basic command, but not very useful commands, I would say, like ls, pwd, cd, mkdir, like for making the folder, which is called directory, touch command to create files, and cp command for copy, mv for move, rm delete or give the permission or other use cases of it. And the history to list out the entire history of what's happening, and the clear the terminal, we have the clear command, and to find any file or specific we have find, and chmod command, like all these commands, like there are multiple commands, there are numerous commands. This help me revise how files, directories, even permissions and search operation work in the Linux OS system. And apart from this, I also practice this Git and GitHub commands as well, which are very essential, I would say. Like I worked on initializing a repository, like adding the files and committing them, and checking the status, viewing commit history, and preparing the object structure for GitHub upload. Like this, all this command not only help me to improve, like to know about Linux, but it also helped me to build up the habit of maintaining clean commits and a proper repository structure. Among all of this, the topic which I enjoyed the most was bash scripting. Like I liked it because scripting is something like it helps to automate continuous tasks. And I also created scripts to accept the user and check whether there is a positive or negative or zero, and print numbers like from 1 to 20 using a loop, which was also done in the assessment as well. The topic I required more attention in was Git workflow, I would say, to understand, especially to understand how to maintain a proper commit structure, the repository, and I feel this is important because in the real projects or in the real scenarios, Git is not only about just pushing the code and making the repositories and maintaining, but it's also about to collaborate, and it should be like in a simple read format, understandable format, I would say. And as an additional concept, I revised or I explored the tools like Terraform, Ansible from this DevOps perspective. Like Terraform is like useful IAC tool, and infrastructure on the other hand is useful for automation and configuration management. Like both these tools are widely used in organization to reduce the manual work and to maintain the consistency. And my expectation from the upcoming weeks is to practice more hands-on and connect these fundamentals with each other and integrate with other tools in DevOps workflow, such as CI/CD, cloud infrastructure. Monitoring is also mandatory nowadays in the IT world or deployment in the cloud infrastructure and the deployment. My ultimate goal is to keep on improving step by step and to become more confident in applying this DevOps concept in the real world projects. And at the last, I would say, like, I would also give a special thanks to Manoj, who has contributed his time. Thank you, Manoj, and giving his effort and entire CareerByteCode, which is doing the proper upskilling themselves and providing the assistance to the students and to the candidates who are joining and becoming a part of the community. And thank you, and see you in the next week. Bye-bye.